In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Mailchimp to those who didn't open it initially. This is a fantastic strategy to increase your engagement and ensure that your message reaches a wider audience, especially the ones that might have missed it the first time around. Whether they overlooked it or it simply got buried in their inbox, giving your email a second chance is a vital step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is the hub where all your created, sent and planned campaigns live, and it's where we'll begin. Our objective is to find the specific campaign that you'd like to resend. Scroll through your campaigns and identify the one you're targeting. Once you've found the campaign, you'll see a drop down arrow, often labeled More, next to your campaign name. Click on this and then select the option to replicate. This function is quite handy as it creates a duplicate of your original campaign, allowing you to make necessary tweaks without reinventing the wheel. Next, to increase the chances of capturing attention this time around, consider editing the subject line to make it more engaging. A compelling subject line can significantly boost your open rates, so think of ways to make it enticing, or perhaps add an element of urgency or curiosity that prompts the recipient to click. Now let's move on to adjusting the recipients. Click on Edit Recipients. You want to ensure you're targeting the right people, those who missed out on your email the first time. So choose the same audience you sent the original email to, then select Group or New Segment to narrow down your reach specifically to those who did not open your previous campaign. Here's where you make the magic happen. Under Segment Conditions, specify that you're targeting based on email interaction. Set this condition to Did Not Open and link it to your previous campaign. This ensures that you're only resending the email to those who genuinely didn't open the last one, optimizing your campaign's reach without being intrusive to those who already engaged with your content. Once you've set all the conditions, click Save to lock in your audience. From here, you proceed with the campaign as usual, review everything to ensure it's good to go, and then hit Send, and there you have it, resending an email in Mailchimp to unopens. This method not only helps you maximize the effectiveness of your email campaigns, but also enhances the likelihood of connecting with your entire audience. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your Mailchimp toolbox that, done with care and attention, can yield great results. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.